Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
Next weather meteorologist Orlin Sidney joining us right now with a check on our steamy forecast.
Well, you know, the humidity isn't as bad as it could be.
True.
And generally this time, you know, when it's this hot, we have much more humidity. So you kind of get to feel the warmth, but you
It's a trade-off.
You don't have to pass out, which is a good
don't
thing.
want to pass out.
No, don't want to do that at all. But I'm going to show you what's driving our weather. And I think the big thing is that we don't have a mechanism for getting rain. And the problem is we really do need it. And we actually have a mechanism that is preventing rainfall, and that's high pressure that is centered for us where it should be in the summertime, actually out in the Atlantic. And of course, that circulation is bringing in the moisture. So you think, hey, this is great. We have plenty of moisture coming in, but we also have high pressure aloft, and that generates sinking air. As you can see, the air is sinking and circulating. So with that high pressure aloft, it suppresses cloud development. It makes it warmer, and thunderstorm activity is just not going to be in our forecast. Take a look at what's going on across the country. However, there is some rainfall, but it's all going on the periphery of that area of high pressure, especially across the plains. As we get into this evening, might find a few strong thunderstorms. If you're headed up towards Chicago, Minneapolis, we have to watch out there because that's the focus for severe weather for today. And look at this, we got a little bit of cloudiness. We even have some rain trying to make it out of Tennessee and Alabama, but once it comes under the influence of high pressure, I mean a sprinkle at best is what we're going to be seeing, because again, that high pressure in control at the surface, in control aloft, and all of the low pressure action where you really get disturbed weather and a chance for showers and thunderstorms, that's off to the north and also off to our west. Where is the chance of severe weather? Well, if you're looking into tomorrow, heading up again, Minneapolis, possibly Detroit, Chicago, want to watch out there as there could be a few strong thunderstorms for you, stretching all the way back down into Oklahoma and Texas. But again, look at this, not much going on in the southeast. It's just going to be a scorcher for us, and that I do mean, because take a look at our extended picture. So we start off with highs in the 80s here, and we're knocking on the door of the 90s for a couple of days before we finally just go ahead and do it. Just throw in the towel, hit the 90s, why not? But we do have a cold front coming in over the weekend, so there may be a little bit of chance of rain here Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then temperatures are back to cooler, closer to seasonable averages. We should see highs in the low to mid 70s this time of year. We'll be back to the 70s. Overnight lows will be cooling off as well.